Abe.
I want to take you out. I think we should go do something.
What?
About time. Quite frankly, I'm tired of just kicking your butt. I got something special for you.
Well, first of all, what are you gonna do with your hair? Because you talking about scarfed up cord, and you just be sitting around with a hat on or a bonnet.
What do you think I should do?
Go to.
We always do a twist out, and you always do a washing out.
I always do a twist out. You do a washing out. See? That's why you need to start doing it. Yeah, you don't even know what anything is.
Alright, maybe we should do an afro.
See, afro. What do you think?
I think so.
I like it. It's a look.
You think it furthers a look?
Yeah. What's that? Is that the look of the spot that we're going to? So am I gonna be blocking somebody's view?
Yeah, maybe we should do something.
Yeah, I could get some inches. You do some braids.
Maybe we can do something a little bit different. You know, switch it up a little bit. Oh, shit. Forgot. Afrosheen sent you some products too.
I think I know. I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a while.
You gonna surprise me?
Yes.
Okay. You ready to go?
Yeah. All right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to do this tutorial. I have not done this exact hairstyle on camera ever. So I'm really excited. As you can see, I have freshly washed hair that I'm getting started on, and Ty is actually washing his hair at the moment so we can get started on his style next. Of course, I'm gonna be using Afrosheen's newest product line, the same line that I used on all the styles that you saw beforehand. So without further ado, let's jump right into it.
You look good.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. All right, guys, so this is the completed look. I am obsessed. I love it. I mean,
flakes, no gel.
Yeah, we didn't use any gel on his hair, and I used the foam on my hair, and it has like a very nice light hold. My hair isn't crunchy, it's soft. I love it.
You too.
Thanks.
You look good. Doing it up for blackness.
Alrighty, guys. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we are running a little bit late for our meeting, so we gotta go.
Alright.
First, can we talk about how amazing every single product in this collection smelled and how moisturizing they all were. The texture flexing foam and the slick back cream styler both provided amazing hold without being flaky or crunchy, and a little went a long way. We were so excited to use this line, and we had every right to be, because we'll definitely be adding all of these products to our collection. You can find them at your local Walgreens or on Amazon.